Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power x minus x power 1 by x is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So x power x is equals to x power 1 by x. Now x power x, if we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So we can write this as x equal 1 by x. Now if we are doing cross multiplication, so x square is equals to 1. So x square minus 1 is equals to 0. Now I'm going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b, where a is x and y is 1. So x plus 1 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have two cases, either x plus 1 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. So in this case, the value of x is negative 1, while in this case, the value of x is positive 1. So these are the two values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.